So, you're moving your Ring camera? Whether it's a Ring video doorbell, spotlight cam, or floodlight cam, this video will guide you through the process. Moving a Ring camera involves physically relocating the device, reconnecting it to Wi Fi, and updating its settings in the Ring app. The goal is a smooth transition to maintain your home security. We will go through all the steps in detail. First, disconnect your Ring camera from its power source and mounting. Remove the camera carefully from its current mounting location. For wired models, like some Ring doorbells, note the voltage requirements at the new location, typically 8 to 24 volt vac. Wireless models need charged batteries or solar panels. Ensure sufficient sunlight or outlet access. Portable mode for select cameras allows temporary placements without full setup, appealing to renters and frequent movers. This trend ties into the smart nomad lifestyle, where devices like Ring integrate with RV or vacation home setups. At the new location, you'll likely need to reconnect to a new Wi-Fi network. Open the Ring app and go to Device Settings, then select Change Wi-Fi. Ensure the camera is within range. Up to 150 feet for 2.4 GHz networks are preferable for distance. Your router should use WPA2 or WPA3 security. For faster speeds, use 5 GHz, but note that 5G network interference can cause connectivity issues in urban areas. If you have issues with connecting, try using a Wi-Fi analyzer app. Once your Ring camera is physically moved and powered, reconfigure it through the Ring app. Start by logging into the app with your Amazon account credentials. After logging in, select your camera from the device list in the app. Navigate to the Device Health section in your camera's settings. Follow the on-screen prompts to reconnect your camera to the new location's Wi-Fi network. Take advantage of the Quick Setup feature, which allows you to transfer settings quickly by scanning a QR code. This reduces setup time significantly. Look for the device transfer mode in the app settings. This mode preserves your custom motion zones and alert preferences when moving between homes. Once your Ring camera is reconnected, you can enable key features in the app to optimize its performance. If you have multiple cameras, create groups in the Ring app to organize them by location. This helps manage settings for different areas efficiently. Check and adjust motion detection zones in the app to match your new environment. This customization helps reduce false alarms by focusing on specific areas. For users with cameras in multiple locations, use location profiles in the app. These automatically switch settings based on GPS, making it easy to manage different homes or vacation properties. After moving your Ring camera, prioritize security by changing the camera's password and enabling two-factor authentication on your Amazon account. These steps prevent unauthorized access to your device and footage. Enable two-factor authentication on your Amazon account to add an extra layer of protection. This requires a second verification step beyond just your password. Remember that Ring cameras store footage in the cloud. Understand their data privacy policies and consider subscription plans starting at $3 per month for 30 days of storage. Be aware that relocating cameras creates vulnerability windows for potential hacks. Disable the camera during the move process and ensure two-factor authentication is re-enabled after completing the setup. If you encounter issues during setup, there are several common problems and their solutions. First, if your camera fails to connect, perform a hard reset by holding the reset button for 20 seconds. Second, ensure the firmware is updated via the app to resolve compatibility issues. Third, if battery life is low after the move, fully recharge the battery before continuing. Finally, for app glitches and specific error messages, check Ring support forums for detailed solutions. These troubleshooting steps address the most common issues reported during camera relocations, often caused by app glitches or setup oversights. Now let's explore some advanced tips and future trends for your Ring camera. First, consider Ring's portable mode for temporary placements without full setup. This is perfect for renters or quick moves. Next, explore integrating your Ring camera with Amazon Alexa for voice control. This allows hands-free operation of your security system. Look out for future AI enhancements that will enable offline processing and automated relocations, making setup even easier. By 2030, experts predict plug-and-play relocations through blockchain-secured device pairing, minimizing setup hassles entirely. Finally, Always remember to back up your Ring camera footage before moving to prevent any potential data loss. You've now completed all the steps for moving your Ring camera. Keep your smart home secure and updated with the latest technology.